हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस थॉमस एल्गोरिथम फॉर ट्राई डायगोनल सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन। Thomas algorithm is a special form of Gauss elimination method that can be used to solve tridiagonal system of equation. So first let us try to understand what is the tridiagonal system of equation. This is one special type of system of linear equation in which this coefficient matrix is the tridiagonal matrix. Tridiagonal matrix means the matrix which have three diagonals. So if you see this system of equation, so we have main diagonal elements a1, a2, a3, 4, and this is called the upper diagonal, and this is also called the super diagonal rows, and this is the lower diagonal, and the rest of the entries will be 0. So this matrix which has three diagonal, one is the main diagonal, upper diagonal and lower diagonal. So these three diagonals we have. So this matrix is called the tridiagonal matrix, and the system Ax equal to B, when A is the tridiagonal matrix, is called tridiagonal system of equation. So now let us try to solve one tridiagonal system of equation using the Thomas algorithm. We'll start with one example. So one equation, let us write 2x1 plus x2 equal to 1, 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 equal to 2, and x2 plus 4x3 plus 2x4 equal to 3, and x3 plus 3x4 equal to 4. So this is the given system of equation. Let us try to write in the matrix form. So if you write matrix form, so the first row will be 2 1 0 0, and second will be 2 3 1 0, and third will be 0 1 4 2, and fourth row will be 0 0 1 3. So this is your matrix, and here variable we have x1, x2, x3, x4 equal to this 1 2 3 4. So this system of equation we have, and this matrix is the, you can see here 2 3 4 3, that is the main diagonal elements, and 1 1 2 is the upper diagonal, and 2 1 1 is the lower diagonal, and rest of the entries are 0. So this matrix is called the tridiagonal matrix, and this system of equation is called the tridiagonal system of equation. So if you compare with this coefficients, so let me write here what is this main diagonal entries will be a1, a2, a3, a4, right? So let me write here your main diagonal elements a1, a2, a3, a4. So a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 3, a3 equal to 4, a4 equal to 3. So this is your main diagonal, and upper diagonal is the c1, c2, c3, c4. You can see here, just now I have shown the upper diagonal is the c1, c2, c3. So if you compare with our problem, so c1, c2, c3 are 1 1 2. So c1, c2, c3 is 1 1 2, and the lower diagonal elements b2, b3, b4 is 2 1 1. So I can write here b2, b3, b4 equal to 2, 1, 1. So before solving the problems, we have to identify this A1, A2, A3, A4, C1, C2, C3 and B2, B3, B4. So because we have the formulation in term of this AI, BI and CI. See, this method is based on the Gauss elimination method. So we are not going to do the Gauss elimination here. I am going to write the direct formula so you can get the answer easily. The first step of this problem is finding alpha I and beta I. So let me write the formula for this alpha I. Alpha is the let us write the AK. So alpha K equal to AK minus CK minus 1 beta K, where beta K equal to BK by alpha K minus 1. So this is the first step. Using this formula we are going to find the alpha and beta. So let us start now. So if you want to find the alpha 1, if K equal to 1, so this is the A1 minus C0. So we don't have C0, right? We don't have it. C start from C1. So this is valid for K equal to K greater than 2, K greater than 1 actually. So but your alpha 1 will be simply A1, we can write. Alpha 1 will be A1. So your A1 is 2. So I can write alpha 1 equal to A1 equal to 2. Fine. Now if you talk about the beta 1, so beta 1 we cannot calculate. So this is the also start from the 2 only, because we have alpha 0. So alpha 0 is not valid. So we start with the beta 2. So beta 2 equal to B2 by alpha 1. So B2 equal to 2 and alpha 1 equal to 2. So alpha 1 equal to beta 2 equal to 1. Now let us find the alpha 2. Alpha 2 is the A2 minus C1 beta 2. So A2 equal to 3 minus C1 equal to 1 into 1 and beta 2 equal to we have 1 only. So 3 minus 1, so 2. So alpha 2 equal to 2. Fine. Now we'll find out the beta 3. Beta 3 is the B3 by alpha 2. So B3 equal to we have 1 and alpha 2 is the 2. So beta 3 is the 1 by 2. Fine. Now let us find the alpha 3. So alpha 3 is the A3 minus C2 and beta 3. So A3 equal to 4 minus C2 equal to 1 and beta 3. So beta 3 equal to 1 by 2. So this is the 7 by 2. So your alpha 3 equal to 7 by 2 and beta 4 B4 by alpha 3. So B4 by alpha 3. So B4 equal to 1, alpha 3 equal to 7 by 2. So 1 by 7 by 2 is the 2 by 7. Now this is the beta 4 and alpha 4. Alpha 4 is the A4 minus C3 beta 4. So A4 equal to 3 minus C3 equal to 2 and beta 4 equal to 2 by 7. So we have 17 by 7. So now alpha 4, since we have 4 cross 4 matrix, so we have alpha 4 and beta 4. We cannot calculate the beta 5 and alpha 5. Okay, because if you calculate beta 5, so we have B5. So B5 we don't have. So this is the calculation of alpha and beta. So this is the end of step 1. Now let me go for the step 2. Now we have done alpha and beta up to 4, alpha 1 beta 1, alpha 2 beta 2, alpha 3 beta 3 and alpha 4 beta 4. Fine, we have done that. Now we have not used that d part. D part is means this, if you see this problem, so we have not used that this entries d1 d2 d1 to this entries. So for using this we have the calculation of vi. So let us write the formula for Vy. So we have Vi equal to di minus beta I Vk minus 1. So for starting this, here this is the Vi. So this also you start from 2 only, because if you write 1 here, so V0 we don't have. V0 we will start with the V1 V2. So let us write. So if you write V1, so this is the V0, so this term is not valid, so directly we have D1. So we can write V1 equal to D1, that is the 1. This term is not valid for I equal to 1 because we don't have V0. So V1 equal to D1 equal to 1. Let me calculate this V2. V2 is the D2 minus beta 2 V1. So D2 equal to 2 minus beta 2 beta 2 equal to 1 into V1 equal to 1, so 1. So V2 is the 1. Now V3 equal to D3 minus beta 3 V2. So this is the 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 5 by 2, and V4 equal to D4 minus beta 4 V3. So 4 minus 2 by 7 into 5 by 2 equal to 23 by 7. So this is the calculation of V1. Simple calculation. This is not valid for 1. So directly this is not valid for 1. So we take this D1 only. After that V2, V3, V4 we have calculated. And now let me finish the step 3 is the last step for finding the xi. So this is the step 3, finding xi. So if you see this formula, for finding x1 we need x2 here. For finding x2 we have x3. For finding x3 we need x4. It means this is the back substitution. So this Gauss elimination, we have the back substitution, and we are getting the answer by the back substitution. So if you put here I equal to, so x4 directly we can write x4, we can write V4. So that is the 23 by 7. Because for 4 it is not valid, because root 4 means if 5 and alpha 4, and so directly x4 will be V4. Now we can find out the x3. We are going back substitution because see the formula. So x3 equal to V3 minus, so this is your I, so V3 minus Ci. So this is the C3, so C3 and x4 divided by alpha 3. So we can have B3 equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 into x4 is the 23 by 7 divided by 7 by 2. So if you simplify we get minus 1 by 17. So x3 is the minus 1 by 17. Now x2 is the V2 minus C2 x3 by alpha 2. So we get x2 1 minus C2 equal to 1 and x3 equal to minus 1 by 17. So we get 1 by 17 divided by 2. So this will be equal to 9 by 17. So this is your x2. Now x1. So x1 is V1 minus C1 x2 by alpha 1. So this equal to V1 equal to 1 minus 1 into x2 equal to 9 by 17 divided by alpha 1 equal to 2. So this is the 4 by 17. So x1 equal to 4 by 17, x2 equal to 9 by 17, x3 equal to minus 1 by 17, x4 equal to 23 by 7. So this is the answer for this given system of equation. You can verify. We have lot of method to solve x equal to b system of equation. You can verify using the calculator. And yes, now done. This problem is done. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.